In order for you to achieve your destination or to make your journey even more convenient, more easy, we have some recommendations. Recommendation number one is to search for Naeem Bokhari, who is an excellent, very professional interviewer in Pakistan and who has conducted interviews of almost all of the celebrities who are here in Pakistan. So do research him, Naeem Bokhari, and do see at least 20 of his interviews, how he talks, how he communicates, how he asks questions, how he listens to his guests, and learn from him. Recommendation number two is this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. To read this book because it contains a lot of tools in order to build a good communication skill, to build some rapport with your guest, with your client, or someone who you want to get connected to. Do read this book because it's going to put a massive influence in your life, and it's going to improve you big time. As a personal development book, this is one of the best books that has been out there for the past 30-35 years. Do read it. It is highly recommended. Recommendation number three, Larry King, who is an American interviewer and who has interviewed perhaps more than 1,000 celebrities around the globe, and he has been thought to be one of the best in the entire globe. And he even has his book out there where he discusses and gives you tips on how to take effective and nice interviews and how to tackle different situations. So do research Larry King, do check out his videos, see how he asks questions, how he collects the wisdom out of their guests, and how he learns from them, meanwhile improving his own knowledge and intellect. So these are the three recommendations. So we highly recommend that you go through all of these recommendations and follow it closely.